How to find saved login info settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find saved login info settings on Instagram Lite. First open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here we'll find settings and then click security, and here we'll find saved login info. Just click on it and here you can manage it. You can turn it off or on just by one click and remove, and you can turn it on again, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.